Hi there! Today I'll show you how to create a token on Solana, step by step, using a platform called mintos.click. Step 1. Enter the full token name. We'll use NA. Step 2. Enter the token symbol, same as name, NA. Step 3. Upload the token logo, PNG, JPG, or GIF. Step 4. Add a short description. Just one sentence is enough. You can link to X or Telegram. Step 5. Set total supply. We'll enter 1 million tokens. Setup complete. Token data is shown. Now connect your Solana wallet to finish. 7 days later, the chart is growing. Market cap over 12,000. The platform promotes your token automatically. You don't need to do anything.